Do you dare to live your dreams, to set the goals, to pursue them? This is the man that absolutely does, Andre Belibi.
Hello.
Hello.
How's it going, brother?
Yeah,
Thank you so
awesome.
much. Thank you,
Cool.
Malcolm, to have me. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so we've connected just in the last month here.
Yeah,
And you know, my first introduction was through one of our staff members, Angela Knox.
Yes.
Who's into the ice bath, the Wim Hof, all that whole kind of like crowd and scene and community. And she had mentioned that you were going to be coming to town and breaking the world record
I know.
for longest contact with ice.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
And you did it.
Yeah, and also really thanks to Wesley Baum who put me in contact with
Yes,
Angela. So it's like,
that's right. No, totally. Cool.
Yeah,
so it's an honor, and
for sure.
Saw you, break through that record. You did it. 4 hours and
5 minutes and 20 seconds, They opened the door at 4 hours and 5 minutes and like 5 seconds, but the time,
right.
Yeah.
The time it took, literally when you're at that stage, like every second.
Yeah.
Counts. So
Okay.
we had you at the open house,
Yeah,
and you shared more of your story.
Thank you very much.
That was back in June, and so I'm
Yeah.
going to post a link to that if you missed it. Unbelievable, because maybe for somebody recently they might have heard of you. They've heard about this guy, is exposed to ice for 4 hours long. Like, that's not the only feat that you've done. And
no, it's not. No,
so you went through and you kind of shared your story and your history of really what set you on that path. And I loved hearing about your dad and the challenges that he went through and how that's been a real inspiration for you.
Of course, real fire, that's for sure.
Totally. And you brought in the conversation around your daughter, how she's inspired you, and you've got this idea of like your worthy cause.
Yeah, that's it.
If you're going to set some goals, if you're going to really like push yourself, not only that's great, that's amazing, that's fantastic, and do it for others.
Of course,
have a cause, have a worthy cause. And
contribution, right? Because at the end of the day, on this earth, it's good to have a goal, it's good to do the amazing things, but how can you contribute to your fellow beings, right? So
yeah, absolutely. Cool. So one thing led to another, and here we are. We're going to host you next Saturday, so July 13th, for a workshop to kind of take you through Andre's process. Not to sit 4 hours on ice.
No, come on, of course not. If you want to, sure. But that's not the most important things in life, for sure. Of course not,
the most important thing is having that drive, having that ambition, like you say, creating positive contribution, being an inspiration to others, and so much more that you're going to dive into. So this is kind of quick, short little conversation. We're going to get into that, what someone might expect, why they'd want to come, and kind of the benefits, the outcomes of that experience.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So if you want to share a bit more about this,
Totally. So we'll start with kind of like the super easy logistics. It's going to be Saturday, July 13th, 10 to 12. Just as we're sitting down, you mentioned just like, it's your morning, you're going to leave there like fired up, energized, the rest of your weekend.
For sure, like it's not like at the end of the weekend on a Sunday, it's nice, energized, feeling good.
Yeah.
You're starting your weekend, because literally for me Saturday morning is kind of like warm up the weekend still, right? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So for sure,
Yeah, cool. All right, and it's really about. So give us kind of the full title, and then we'll kind of get into the essence of what someone's going to learn and what they'll go through and walk away with.
Yeah. So I'm gonna start like with the title and the breakdown of what it is. Then after we can move more into like each topic. Is that okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, for sure. So the seminar is called. The workshop is called Achieve the Extraordinary. A bit like what we did, but now it's going to go deeper. And I should say the big slogan on it. It's called Chase Your Worthy Cause. All right. So it's going to be a couple hours. So how it's going to work? It's going to be first. We're going to start by a 30 minutes to 40 minutes mindset coaching course. So we're going to condense a bit. I'm going to tell a little bit more about what is Chase Your Worthy Cause, right? And after we're going to jump to right away to like some specific bullet points where what I call tools that I'm going to say what I did, but of course tools I'm going to help you to dig deep, that you can get your experience that you already have in life, even without realizing it, but how you can take those experiences, specific experiences, as mental tools and apply them in your current life, also in current life meaning as well for a future goal, right? So that's what we're going to do. More or less, I'm not going to take too much more about it. There's no point. The other part right now is going to be a great breath work. I'm going to teach you some great things. Because we know breath work right now. We live in a society today, shallow breathing. but I'm gonna teach you to breathe nice with like great deep breathing, right? It's gonna help you to reduce stress, to calm down in like emergency situations, you know, able to control it. So that will be great. You also will be able to nicely in your subconscious mind ponder about what you just learned before, while you were doing the mindset coaching, so you see it's a whole. Then after you're gonna move to the ice bath. So in the ice bath, it's gonna be a great experience. Please don't be scared, you know. You're gonna go according to your level. You won't stay there for 4 hours. It's not 4 hours anyway, you know what I mean? Because after 2 warm-ups, another deal. But like maximum, like you can for like from like 30 seconds, 10 seconds if you want to like 2-3 minutes. You know what I mean? So we're gonna do this. Then in that, I have a little surprise for you that I won't talk about it now. But please don't be scared but be excited. It will be great. So that's what's gonna, pretty much it's gonna be a quick breakdown, not too short, but not too long either, of Saturday, the 13th.
So I think what's really gonna draw people is, you know, like here you are, you've got all these amazing feats.
Yeah, sure, that's good.
And you've got even more planned. You're giving me hints of what you'd like to do next year. And you're always pushing the envelope. I think what people need is just like, they need a method. As you say, they need tools to like, hey, you know, like, how can I do that in my own way?
Yes, of course, absolutely, yes. You know, I mean, because of course it's great. I mean, it's great to do the amazing thing. Wow. Yeah, sure, that's good. But what can you use it? How can you use it? And that's why I created this package, this course, right? That you can use it in your own life, like helping you to go to look deep in your talents. Because you might be, I did 4 hours in the ice, but I can telling you, ladies and gentlemen, you have a gift. We're all talented. Universe, God, however you want to call it, had blessed us with a gift. However, if we don't do nothing about this gift, it's dormant, it's waste, right? So what I'm going to do with my humble experience is to help you like unleash that power within, help you to find your talents. Of course, you find your talents, then having a goal with that talents, how you can contribute, you know, to the universe, to people around you, impact the earth on a positive manners, and also meanwhile as well, appreciate the journey, because the journey is the most important things. We don't know if we'll be alive tomorrow. I hope yes, right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But
that's
like,
not a guarantee.
That's not a guarantee, because it's good to have a goal. But if you get to a goal, have a goal, you get to your goal, and okay, that when you get to the goal, like when I did that world record, it lasted probably for like a day. I did it. You know, I didn't sleep for a night after this. But after like drilling goes down, and I'm like, okay, what's next? But that's what it is, like the journey. So literally having a few goals according to your talents, how you can contribute to the world, right? Is going to help you appreciate the journey. So the goal is like it's like a donkey with a carrot. You going toward the carrots, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. You go toward the carrots, which is good, but as well, while you do it, you appreciate you're going to help people around you and just make your life, fruitful and playful.
Totally. Yeah. It helps develop character. It helps.
Of course, develop characters, you know, and as well, like it's good to talk about positive things, but let's be obvious, this life on earth is not easy. There's lots of stress situation, a lot of things. It's pretty hard at times, you know, and I went through a lot of challenges. I still go through lots of challenges, but let me tell you, like having a worthy cause, a cause, and when I'm a worthy cause, it's a goal, but like appreciating the journey is going to help you to go through the harder times.
Yeah.
You know?
So yeah, if you'd like to know a little bit more about Andre, you know, check out that presentation that he did.
For sure, I was right about to.
Yeah, absolutely. And anything else you want to kind of say or share that somebody might be kind of like, I'm kind of sitting on the fence. I'd really like to do this, but what might kind of like inspire them to into action?
Well, you know what? I mean, I think like our brain, because we all have amazing things. But I call the natural man or the natural brain is lazy. He's gonna try to do the less, but it's unfortunate because staying in that state, right? You won't be able to push. But doing things where it's gonna bring you outside of your zone of comfort, it will be definitely is gonna help you to have a broader. You know, to have a broader view at life, not like narrow tunnel, you know what I mean? A broader view, and also help you to unleash your full potential. That's how it is, ladies and gentlemen, all right? We're doing those techniques that I'm going to show you. Also, it's going to help you to, because I'm sure, like, when we were children, we all had dreams, right? What about the dreams? But dreams get carried, like pushed away, washed away because of this, because of that. Like you see Michael, like Saunders here, I'm sure he went through a lot of struggles, but you have a beautiful light seller. It took so a while, a perseverance, but that's what it is, to help you to bring your potential outside, like a flower who's blooming. I'm a little philosophical now, you know what I mean? But that's the truth. Really, to making really like blooming and enjoying life. Yeah,
cool.
That's pretty much what it is. So
All
it's
right.
gonna help you like this.
Yeah, awesome. So it's going to be like mindset, foundational training,
Yeah.
tools and techniques
Yeah.
for that.
Yeah.
The breathing,
Yes.
which is going to
Yeah.
help anchor that. It's going to help you in certain situations throughout life.
Yeah.
Coping. And
Yeah.
then really, like, the ice is so powerful in itself, but it's almost like a metaphor. It's almost like using it as a tool to
Breaking the ice.
breaking the ice.
Breaking
Yeah.
the ice, literally, right? Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, it's going to be an awesome event, and we'd love to see you there. All the details, all the registration, the link is down below, and it's coming up. So we're just about a week away here, and
Wow.
love to see you there.
Wow. It's July already, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Thanks for tuning in, and please, share this with somebody who you could see them benefit from this experience and the opportunity to meet a great man like Andre that has achieved all these
Thank you.
wonderful feats, who has
Yeah.
a big open heart and is willing to share and inspire us all.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you, Malcolm.
Right on.
Thank you.